Hi, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night. My name is Luis Pedro. You have already known it. And in this video, we're gonna talking about the steps about how we made an oven and how that oven give us the opportunity to melt aluminium. Well, first of all, we need to make an oven, and for that reason we need several materials such as plaster that it will help us to cover a metal bucket. Then we need to add water to the plaster to give us some consistency, and thus the plaster will acquire the characteristics of a ceramic. And one of the characteristics of a ceramic is its high resistance to the high temperatures. Then after after drying the oven, we had to dry it and give a space where we put the thing that will help us to melt the aluminium. Second, suddenly we in the oven we add charcoal, a natural charcoal that provides from the trees, and is the same that we usually use when we are grilling something such as carne asada or seafood. Then we turned on that fire. We made a fire with that charcoal, and we tried to secure all the heat into the oven. After that, we add the crisol into the oven, and we wait a several time until the aluminium will get at its melting point. Then we made a mold with sand and water and mixture of those components. We reached a combination where the mixture was perfectly done and will help us to make an individual molds of materials. Finally, when the aluminium got its melting point, we moved the melting to the molds, and finally the aluminum in the mold gets cold and we could touch that, and that's all.